Empowering Your Cells. A guide to optimizing mitochondrial health. For decades, biology students have memorized a single, catchy phrase: mitochondria are the powerhouse of the cell. While it sounds like a simple classroom cliché, the implications of this concept are profound. Mitochondria are the tiny engines inside nearly every cell in your body, converting food and oxygen into ATP, adenosine triphosphate, the fundamental energy currency that fuels everything from your heartbeat to your highest-level thoughts. As we age, the efficiency of these life machines becomes a primary driver of our vitality, metabolic health, and resilience against disease. According to Stanford professor and mitochondrial expert Dr. Daria Mockley-Rosen, the scale of this work is staggering. Each pound of body weight makes about a pound of ATP every day. The good news is that mitochondria are highly responsive to our lifestyle. By adopting specific habits, you can encourage mitochondrial biogenesis, the creation of new mitochondria, and improve the efficiency of the ones you already have. Physical strategies. Building cellular infrastructure movement is perhaps the most direct way to upgrade your cellular hardware. Different types of exercise trigger different beneficial adaptations. Zone 2 cardio. Activities like brisk walking or light cycling, where you can still hold a conversation, train your mitochondria to burn fat more efficiently. Aim for 80 minutes per week to boost metabolic health. Strength training. Building muscle provides more real estate for mitochondria to reside in. Aim for 3-4 sessions per week to improve insulin sensitivity and cellular capacity. HIIT, high-intensity interval training. Short, intense bursts act as a multiplier. Research shows HIIT can significantly increase both the number and efficiency of mitochondria. However, because it is taxing, 1 session per week is often sufficient to avoid overstressing the system. Pro tip: when you exercise your muscles, they release signaling molecules that act as treats for other organs, boosting mitochondrial health in your brain, heart, and kidneys as well. Nutritional support. Fueling the engine to function optimally, mitochondria require more than just calories. They require specific micronutrients to facilitate chemical reactions, essential nutrients to prioritize, proteins and AMP, amino acids, specifically leucine, found in eggs, fish, and dairy, which helps mitochondria retain the proteins necessary for energy production. Healthy fats. Omega-3 fatty acids, walnuts, chia seeds, fatty fish, support mitochondrial membranes and reduce inflammation. Antioxidants. Polyphenols, berries, green tea, dark chocolate neutralize oxidative stress that can damage cellular structures. Key micronutrients. Magnesium enzymatic reactions, B vitamins, the energy cycle, CoQ10, the final step of ATP production, and iron oxygen transport. Metabolic flexibility. Avoid constant snacking. By allowing for 12-14-hour overnight fasts or simply spacing out meals, you encourage your body to switch from burning glucose to burning fat. This metabolic flexibility makes your mitochondria more efficient at utilizing various fuel sources. Lifestyle and AMP. Environment. Protecting the system. Your mitochondria operate on a biological clock. If you disrupt their rhythm, you disrupt your energy. Synchronize your circadian rhythm. Exposure to natural light within an hour of waking, 5-15 minutes, tells your mitochondria to ramp up energy production for the day. Conversely, dimming lights in the evening prepares them for their nighttime role, repair and cleanup. Prioritize restorative sleep. Deep sleep is the only time your mitochondria can perform essential maintenance and clear out dysfunctional components. Aim for 7-9 hours of consistent sleep to ensure your cellular engines are serviced and ready for the next day. Harness hormetic stress. Small, controlled doses of stress can actually strengthen cells, a process known as hormesis. Heat exposure. Saunas help mitochondria repair damaged proteins. Cold exposure. Short cold showers or plunges activate brown fat, which is incredibly dense with mitochondria. Note: avoid cold plunges immediately after strength training, as they can blunt muscle growth. Manage chronic stressors. While short bursts of stress are helpful, chronic psychological stress is destructive. High cortisol and ongoing inflammation drain mitochondrial resources. Utilize breathwork, meditation, or time in nature to keep your nervous system in a state that supports, rather than depletes, cellular energy. Summary of actionable habits. Category: habit. Primary benefit: light morning sunlight sets circadian rhythm and amp. Energy cycles: movement mix of zone 2, strength, and amp. HIIT increases mitochondrial number and amp. Efficiency. Diet. Nutrient dense, diverse whole foods provides essential cofactors for ATP production. Timing: spaced meals, overnight fasting. Promotes metabolic flexibility. Recovery: 7-9 hours of quality sleep facilitates cellular repair and cleanup. Conclusion: mitochondrial health is not about a single superfood or magic pill, but a cumulative result of how you move, eat, and rest. By aligning your daily habits with your body's natural rhythms, you provide your cells with the tools they need to sustain long-term energy and vitality.